Okay, division of integers. Okay. Paano naman tayo magdi-divide? Ayan, paano tayo magdi-divide ng mga integers? Madali lang din yan. Okay, pakinggan nyo itong mabuti. Okay, or pwede nyo naman ulit-ulitin din yung video para mas lalo nyong makuha yung mga rules. Okay. Division of integers. When you divide integers with two positive signs, positive divided by positive, that is positive. Okay, parang regular lang tayo nagdi-divide. Let's say 14, positive 14. Let's say 14, positive 14, no? Divided by positive 2. What is the answer? So, positive divided by positive, that is positive. 14 divided by 2, that is 7. So our answer is positive 7. Another. Let's say we have 36, positive 36. Okay. Divided by positive 6. Dahil parehong positive, positive. So 36 divided by 6, that is 6. So positive 6. Ganun lang kadali. Positive divided by positive, that is positive. Okay. Next. Paano kapag parehong negative signs? When you divide integers with two negative signs, this is the rule. Negative divided by negative is equals to positive. Parang multiplication lang, no? Same sign, positive. Different sign, negative. Yun yung rules ng division at ng multiplication. Okay, so negative divided by negative, that is positive. Okay, how? Tingin dito. Let's say negative 14 divided by negative 7. So dahil parehong negative, magiging positive na siya. 14 divided by 7, that is 2. Okay. Negative divided by negative is equals to positive. Another example. Negative 16 divided by negative 4. So, negative divided by negative, ano sabi natin? Negative divided by negative, that is positive. Then 16 divided by 4 is equals to 4. Easy. So positive divided by positive, that is positive. Negative divided by negative, that is positive. Next, how about ang integers natin ay ganito? When you divide integers with one negative signs and one positive sign, ano ang magiging rule? Negative divided by positive is equals to negative, or positive divided by negative is equals to negative. Kaya kahit ano dyan, kahit anong dyan yung na magkaiba sila ng sign, ano man yung pwesto ng positive or ng negative, basta magkaiba ang sign ng mga number natin, ng mga integers natin, ang sagot ay negative. Different sign ng pag-divide, negative. Same sign, positive. Okay, let's say this one. Negative 4 divided by positive 2. Okay. Dahil isang negative, isang positive, ano mangyayari? Negative na siya. So 4 divided by 2, that is 2. Okay, another example. Let's say we have 8 divided by negative 2. Okay. 8 divided by negative 2. So, isang positive, isang negative, negative na siya. So, 8 divided by 2 is equals to 4. Okay. Nakuha. Yan. Para sa activity nyo, gawin nyo yung page 9 and 10. Yan. Page 9 and 10. Ayan. Tapos malapit na rin tayong matapos. At alam ko, uulit-ulitin nyo lang din naman itong video na ito para mas maintindihan. Ayan. Always go to the records kapag yung mga records natin sa YouTube pag hindi nyo maintindihan para masundan nyo palagi. Ayan. Yan muna tayo. Then don't forget your activity para ma-checkan natin pag sa face-to-face class natin. Then next lesson, please memorize na yung nasa page 6. Ayan, yung power tables. Ayan, yung mga power tables natin. Pag-aaralan natin yan. Okay? So, yan muna tayo. At kita-kita tayo muli sa ating lesson. Maraming salamat. Bye!